I am just going to go over the answers for the last week grammar. And the first chapter you completed was chapter 31, which focuses on abbreviations and numbers. The exercise is on page 478. So number 1, the Sven family lives at 800 West Avenue. So that's incorrect the way they have it. So you're supposed to indicate that with an I, and then you're supposed to correct it. So this should be in numeral form, so it should be 800. Number two, the twins were born on September 10th, 2000. That looks fine. Number 3, the professor asked the class to read chapter 5 for the test. That looks fine. Number 4, 2 employees have left the company in the last week. So this is incorrect. You don't start a sentence with a numeral 2, so you should write out the number 2. Number 5, the game starts at 2 o'clock. That looks good. Number 6, technology is expected to make great strides in the 21st century. That looks good. Number 7 looks fine. Number 8, that should be 3 with a percentage sign. Yep. Okay. Number 9, there are 5 10-pound crates of apples in the farmhouse. So spell out 5. And number 10 looks good. And then your next chapter, you were to complete it was focused on idioms. And that is chapter 34. And chapter 34 focuses on all kinds of common idioms. And then the exercise was on page 512. There. 12, enter. Okay, so you had to use the idiom in a sentence of your own. So number 1, act as a guinea pig. So Martha acted as a guinea pig for the new cosmetic line. Number 2, she was as busy as a beaver at work would be appropriate. Number 3, they won gold medals across the board. Number 4, we didn't want to create bad blood among our classmates. Number 5, let's not beat around the bush, let's just get to the point. And number 6, she was dressed to kill for the interview. Number 7, take it at face value. Number 8, her new shoes fit like a glove. Number 9, what's our game plan? And number 10, the kids are hard-nosed about playing a different sport. So, of course, you don't have to use my exact sentences, but they should be similar to that. You should have used the idiom in the sentence. I also want to bring your attention to this site, which shows you the most common English idioms. So here are the most 10 common English idioms. Apparently, they're the 10 common. And you probably have heard many of these quite often. Piece of cake, meaning that's easy. Costs an arm and a leg, it's expensive. Break a leg. So during a performance you would say that. Hit the books, means you have to study. let the cat out of the bag, so on and so forth. So this is the site if you're interested in learning more about common idioms. Okay, that's all I have for you. Take care.